smile, because I am knowing we are moving on. Your second chances fade to black. Watch me as I leave. I'm knowing we are moving on. Your second chances fade to black. Whenever I turn, it's in circles. When I look at you, you tend to whirlpools. Because I am knowing we are moving on. Second chances fade to black. Watch me as I leave. I'm knowing we are moving on. Second chances fade to black. Cause all I wanted was for you to smile, and all I wanted was for you to smile. Because I am knowing we are moving on. Second chances fade to black. Watch me as I leave. I'm knowing we are moving on. Your second chances fade to black. Because I am going, we are moving on. Your second chances fade to black. Watch me as I leave. I'm going, we are moving on. Your second chances fade to black. Watch me as I leave.
Thank you. My name's Nic Thomas. Hello everyone in the room, hello everyone on the webcam. There'll be some old songs for you today, some new ones, one borrowed. A lot of them were maybe new for all of you. This is the first one.
Try to discover what has become of the heart. Was ready for you to let me in, but not without reservation. I've been here before, I can't walk out. For what you gave, I wanted more. Guess that's the start. I promise don't have you at home by 9. Sleep underneath the stars. The sky is wide open, lies torn apart. So pack up your bags, it's time to go. I have to know. Do you wanna go walk and leave footsteps in the winter snow? I promise I'll have you at home by 9. We'll sleep underneath the stars. The sky is wide open, lights turn apart. So much pain over so much time. My eyes are open. So much pain over so much time. My eyes are open wide. I promised I'll have you at home by 9. We'll sleep underneath the stars. The sky is wide open, lights down apart. So much pain over so much time. My eyes are open. So much pain over so much time. My eyes are open. So much pain over so much time. My eyes are open. So much pain over so much time. My eyes are open wide.
Thanks a lot, cheers. It's a new one, it's called I Don't Know Why.
I don't know why you let me tell you the secrets that I can't keep. The same old story, the same old act, yet I'm wrong with it. I don't know why you let me tell you that people can never change. You should have told me how it was from the start of this. 'Cause there was something on your mind. You had the devil in your eyes. I can never see what was going wrong with me. I don't know why some people tell me it has to be like this. A never-ending movie comes to a close again. I don't know why you let me tell you the secrets that I can't keep. The same old act and the same old stare that I'm always in. There was something on your mind. You had the devil in your eyes. I can never see what was going wrong with me. But you could not even try. that it was you that's supposed to save me. Now the day is gone, the last drive, I'll never see this place again. My lifetime is spent. Now the night brings my best times. I close my eyes and dream of you again. Live life, no regrets.
Thanks a lot. Cheers. Okay. So in July, I went in the studio to record songs for, well, one of them you're going to hear later is going to be the next single. But this one is going to be my first ever duet. And it's called Take It Away. So I'm not going to sing the duet version in a girl's voice. So let's say I'm going to teach you the words and anyone want to come up, because we all look like we're all singers in this room. So take it away.
Please let go of what happened. I never got the messages you sent. There were days and times I feel I hear you call my name, but I never got the messages you sent. We used to walk in the winter snow. Didn't think it was the time to let you go. There are days and times I feel I hear you call my name, but I never got those messages you sent. This is a song for all that you lose. This is the song for all that you choose. So take it away. How much for your fault? Just take it away. For love, for your soul. I never thought it would be like this. I never thought you wouldn't be coming home. You said that you would love me till death. You said you keep the promises you said. I never dreamt this love or snow would ever fade away, but I never got the messages we sent. This is a song for all that you lose. This is a song for all that you choose. Just take it away. How much for your fault? Just take it away. For love, for your soul. I never thought it would be like this. I never thought you wouldn't be coming home.
to have some people I know, some people I don't know in the audience today. Also, my mother's here today, which is a bit. Over there, though. On that note, this song's not about my mother.
So, what about happiness? Where does it come from? Does it exist now? I would try to force it, but now that I have it, where does it come from? It is just you. 'Cause each day it is a blessing. Days that I'm with you, why am I staying now? 'Cause each new day brings me a morning to love you. Who gives me that courage to? It is just you. I can't live without you. It is just you. I would die without you. It is just you. As these years pass, my feelings stay the same. The days that I'm with you, why am I staying now? 'Cause one day I will marry you. I'll always look after you. Who gives me the courage to? It is just you. I would die without you. It is just you. I can't live without you, 'cause it is just you. As this song ends, I sing a new melody, new chords and new words. A song so easy to write, 'cause it's about you. About you. What can you say to her? Give me songs, give me words, give me reasons. That's in the song we heard as we drove in a car full of dreams that would amount to nothing. It is time to take their car across the line and fade away. Have no fear, days like these will prove that you were there. What can you say to her? Give me songs, give me words, give me reasons. That's in a song we heard as we drove in a car full of dreams out of my tuna pain. It is time to take their car across the line and fade away. Have no fear, days like these will prove that you were there. 'Cause we were there. It's times like these that bring you to your knees, where I'll never have enough. I've lived dreams like these, and for your heart it seems that I'll never have enough. Oh. 'Cause we were there. These times like these, they bring you to your knees, where I'll never have enough. I've lived dreams like these, and for your heart it seems that I'll never have enough. I've lived dreams like these, and for your heart it seems that I'll never have enough. Oh, I'll never have enough.
Keep on the side. Okay. I said I was going to do a song which is borrowed, and it's the first time I've ever played this ever, well, apart from in my living room. And it's, I don't really do a lot of covers, but actually we've got an idea that in the build-up to the new record coming out, we're going to actually record the cover a week, but we're going to get all people on Facebook and Twitter to actually vote for that cover. And they will be extreme. You can choose what you want. Oh, cheers. I'll do one of them for you. Not now, though, but... Cheers, buddy. I like Tom. This one's called Delilah. It's called Black Chandelier by...
I shouldn't laugh, but I know I'm a failure in your eyes. I know it's daft, but I guess that I know it's deep inside. It feels like just we're ready to crack these days, you and I. When it's just the two of us are not gonna hide. You left my heart like an abandoned car, old and worn out and you said all, but I used to be free. We're gonna separate ourselves tonight. We're always running scared, not holding night. But there's a black chandelier that casting shadows and lights. Drip, 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 drip. I still the silence for the rest of my life if you like. Dressing our wings with industrial bags.
The end of July, maybe early August now, things are moving. This is hopefully going to be a song which you'll see a video for, it'll be out to download and be able to buy in the shops. It's going to be the next single, it's called The Wall.
When two souls compete and break down the wall, a wall made of stone, concrete and barbed wire and all. Try to believe with exchanging sin that this wall will fall. Without this belief, exchanging season you'll come. When one two's hands got beating itself on the wall, the wall laid in glycerine and all matching all. I always believe that both one day this scoring door will fall. Without this belief, my head is deceiving me. I gave 10 million reasons why I can't tell you this feeling, 'cause I can't free from the chains on your heart. I gave you the reason, but these hands were bleeding. I tattooed your name to my heart. One day my sense got repeating itself on the wall. The wall ain't nothing but scenes of violence and love. I'll always believe that one day this thing, that this wall will fall. Without this belief, my head is deceiving me, your heart deceives me. I gave 10 million reasons why I can't tell you this feeling, 'cause I can't free from the chains on your heart. I gave you the reason, but these hands were bleeding. I tattooed your name to my heart. Because I gave 10 million reasons why I can't tell you this feeling, 'cause I can't free from the chains on your heart. Because I gave 10 million reasons why you came and pushed it away. Because I can't free from the chains on your heart. I gave you the reason, but these hands were bleeding. I tattooed your name to my heart. No, I'm not afraid, these choices I've made. I tattooed your name to my heart. My cold heart. Your cold heart.
Thank you. No. No. Okay. This song is called Dancing On.
Something on the places I don't know. I'm on the other side, please, I'll never dance alone. Wherever you are, forever in my heart I would compete. I'm on the other side, please, I'll never dance alone. Will you marry me? I can understand if you won't. Will you marry him? I can understand if you won't. Papa, don't preach, I'm in trouble deep. Papa, don't preach, I'm in trouble deep. Something and the way I don't know. I'm on the other side, please, I'll never dance alone. Wherever you are, forever in my heart would complete. I'm on the other side, please, I'll never dance alone. Will you marry him? I can understand if you won't. Will you marry me? I can understand if you won't. Something in the places I don't know. Please, you know me, I'll never dance alone. I'm on the other side. Can you feel me forever? Ending days of hopes and dreams. Wherever you are in your heart, I'll be the kiss that will make you breathe. And I will never stop, and I'll never stop ever feeling it should have been me. It should have been me. Just dance with me, dance with 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 me. Dance with me, dance with me. Just dance with me, dance with me. Papa, don't preach, 'cause I'm in trouble deep.
Okay, thanks everyone here for listening today. We come to the end of the show. I'm gonna, for those who have just joined, my name's Nic Thomas. You can check out all the stuff on the usual places, www.nicthomas.com, etc., etc. If anyone wants to have a chat after, that'll be cool. This is the title track of the first EP I wrote, and it's what I'm going to end with now. Again, thanks for listening, everyone. Thanks for everyone on the webcam or on YouTube when you will be viewing this again. I don't know if I'm looking at you correctly. I'm not very good with the camera. It's called Shalala. Good night.
So now my friends are gone. Where can we go? Finding a way to just carry on. Find who you wanna be. Where can we go? See where the sun will set, but it's never on our home. Find me a feature, starring and fake, fading. Someone must leave. When you gonna come around? I cannot breathe now. It was like you're not there. Can I be dreaming this? Say it's not going on. It's not going on. It's a case. I can feel your heart beating. It's a case. And my back is broken. I can't find no peace. No, I can't find no peace. No, I can't find no peace. Someone stole la 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 la. So now let's go to town. How far can we go? So many reasons now. Why it's too late for this? Shoulder no more to cry. When will you see that this is cause of you? It's not because of me. It's never because of me. And it's a case that my hands are falling off, and my dreams are left and say you cannot leave. Do they say you cannot leave? Do they say you cannot leave? Sha-la-la-la, sha-la-la-la-la, sha-la-la-la-la, Thanks very much. Thanks everyone for listening. Big thanks to the man on the side doing the sound today as well. I hope you enjoyed. Nic Thomas. See you later.